Here is how to change Apple account password if forgot it. So first of all, open up Settings app, then tap on your profile icon. It's the first link, account Apple, iCloud and more. Next step, tap on sign in and security, and then tap on change password. In my specific order, I should wait 1 hour, then I can change my password. It's enabled on latest iOS for security. It says security delay in progress. You will get a notification when security delay ends, and you will then be able to change your password. It not can be on your specific iOS, but in my specific iOS it's now working. So basically, when you proceed to change password, you just enter 2 times a new password and then tap on the bottom to save a new password for your Apple account.